I'm gonna go camping in bear country alone with no shelter. Hey guys, what's up? This should be a fun little adventure. I'm gonna go camping in bear country alone with no shelter. Sounds like fun, right? I thought so too. I came up to one of my favorite spots in the Cache National Forest. I tried to bring you here once before, but there was somebody camping in my spot. But I'm here now. I love this spot. It's right on top of a mountain. Killer view to the east. I wanted to camp underneath the stars so I could watch the Milky Way all night. But we're up here in the beautiful Cache National Forest, just down at the bottom of Curtis Creek Road and almost into Hardware Ranch. Beautiful area. As you can see, it's nice, lush and green, and got lots of mosquitoes. But hopefully they don't eat too much, and hopefully the bears aren't hungry looking for me, because I'll be wrapped up in a little burrito if they want to eat me. Well, I guess it's not a little burrito. I'll be wrapped up in a big burrito, a Curtis burrito. So I guess if they want a snack, they can come get me. And it's also kitty cat country. Where you have bears, you have kitty cats, big kitty cats. I have a couple things that I keep with me just in case. I'll show you those later. I can't wait till we can stare at the stars tonight and just enjoy the peace and quiet. I'm a long ways away from any city. Hopefully we don't become somebody's dinner tonight. We should have a great time. There ain't nobody over there. At least not for a ways. That looks off over into Wyoming. So Wyoming is more that way. Uintas, Monte Cristo. This viewpoint's like 20 feet from camp. This is a really nice spot, one of my favorites ever since I found it. I figured it would be a good quick escape, no shelter. That's probably about the easiest setup you can do. The only thing I have left is my bed, and that'll take me 10 minutes maybe. I got my dining room and my kitchen, my bedroom, and my living room, all in one area. There's a mosquito trying to suck the blood out of the microphone. You're dead. Okay, and that's all we got. A cot, nice little short one. I like my camping gear compact so I can fit it in the Jeep. 2 foam rolls, a sleeping bag for insulation on the bottom, and then a sleeping bag for me. I'm gonna guess that's enough firewood. If not, I'll cut some more. I got some bigger logs I can throw on. So we'll see. I'm gonna sit down and have me a beer, relax for a minute, and then we'll work on dinner. So when you're out in the wild, especially in bear country, keep your ears perked. If you hear anything weird, make sure you turn and look so you can see what it is. You don't want a mountain lion or a bear sneaking up on you. Or a moose, or a deer. They're pretty sneaky too. We have moose sneak up on us all the time at our property. It's hard to believe a big animal like that can be so quiet, but they can. So be careful, be on high alert, and don't run. So I will have a few things close to my bed tonight. I got this little guy. I got this little guy. This little guy. And this little guy. And you can't forget the trusty hammer. I'll hammer that bear. So I should be covered. I even got a couple pocket knives in my pocket. I'm not worried though. All the years I've spent up here, I've never seen a bear, but I know they're up here. I think they just like to hide in other places, and they don't like bugging us humans. I guess if you left out too much food, they're real hungry. So keep your camp clean. Don't leave any food out, and you should be okay. The wind's been blowing kind of crazy today. It is still blowing, and it's starting to get cold. So I think I'm going to start a fire, just so I don't have to be cold. It's not really that cold, but the wind blowing on my back, it's kind of chilly. So I'm going to fix that. And if you didn't know, Doritos are flammable. So we're going to try and use these Doritos to light the fire. If I can get the wind blocked. Dorito is lit. Dorito fire. Alright, that should do it. The fire is lit. I prefer cooking simple dinners, so we're just going to have jalapeno and cheese Johnsonville sausages with some potatoes. Sounds good to me. Easy dinner, easy camp setup, makes camping more enjoyable. At least I think so. This is going out slow. Alright, our dinner is almost done. Yummy yum. Well, I think I definitely should have brought some ketchup for my dinner. Probably make it a little bit better. But it's still good. Okay, so now we got dinner done. We got about another hour before the sun sets, and then we'll be able to watch the stars. I'm excited. This camp spot has a really nice viewpoint. Okay, well the sun is down. We just gotta wait for them stars to come out now. Well, I think I'm gonna get in bed, watch the fire die down, and wait for the stars to come the rest of the way out. We survived the night in the wild. No bears or kitty cats or anything else like a Bigfoot, skinwalker, all that kind of stuff left us alone. So thank goodness. The only thing that had me worried was how many mosquitoes there were this morning. If you got in a place where there wasn't wind, they about carried you off. Sucked all the blood out of me until I looked like a prune. It was scary. We survived for another day. I will definitely be back on an adventure next week. We'll see you there.